Welcome to the Deen, the Dunya, the Akhirah, and whatever else God created. I pray that everyone listening to me, my videos, viewing my videos, will accept the angelic host without any force, because when it comes to believing in faith, religion or culture, we don't force anyone to believe. It's either you do or you don't. You know what was revealed to me just now? When Jesus walked on water, that was the exact precise moment when Iliyun, that's what we call faith in Islam, Iliyun, that's when Iliyun expanded his mind. That's when Jesus got something bigger and greater than what it was. So Jesus walked on water so that he was on the overflow and not in the overflow, because he's not part of the overflow, you understand? Jesus forms part of what we call land, but he's not part of ocean. And the ocean is the ocean, and on one place on the earth, because and fishes are covered with water because it's like a holy thing. The holy things, sacred things, is kept secret and sacred. But not secret, but sacred. You understand? And Jesus said to walk on water, because apparently he was exceeding the limit, according to Iliyun, the Arabic that was there, that present at the time when he was preaching. He was preaching on Mount Sinai, but his preachers extended into the Quranic time. So that's for believing. See, that's for sometimes we need to obey him, right? Sometimes we need not go above our own understanding of things. And if I can give you great advice on which apostle is a great apostle, then I'd say go knock on the Apostle Paul's door for proper guidance, because he is the apostle who believed, but he did not form his own opinion. Whether his eyes saw, his ears heard, his presence, his spirit, and everything, Apostle Paul was the apostle who believed without forming his own opinion, without making his own temple or platform. He just believed. You understand? So yeah, that's what God told me to die tonight to tell to you. I don't know why God says I must reveal to you things so late at night, but anyway, I just do it as it comes up. So, may the bread be fulfilling. Sunay Tiger from Worcester, Western Cape, South Africa. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.